Billionaires don't wait. They position themselves early in locations destined for growth before gain is obvious. Is this profitable? South Reclamation Project? As the site plans with price of the CDM commercial lots and the South Coast City commercial lots. Contact Douglas F. Pañares. Phone 63915-842-6920. Email dogpanares@gmail.com. Thank you and God bless.